Good morning. Today we are discussing the topic essential requirements of a valid meeting. Essential requirements of a valid meeting. Okay. We already learned that in case of a cooperative society, the meeting consists of general body meeting as well as the managing committee meeting or subcommittee meeting. Okay. In order to convene a general body meeting or any other meeting including managing committee meeting, then as per the provisions of the KCS Act, 4 essential elements are there. In order to convene the meeting, 4 essential requirements are there. They are, first one is notice, then quorum, then agenda, and fourth one is the minutes. These 4 elements are required in order to convene a valid meeting. ഇപ്പോൾ അതിൽ ഓരോ കേസ് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ് പറയുന്നത് നോട്ടീസാണ്. ഓക്കെ, notice should be given to all the members of the society in case of general body and or the members of the committee or subcommittee in case of committee or subcommittee meeting. In such a notice, 3 points should be clearly specified: place of meeting, date of meeting, and time of meeting. And the notice should be given at least before the minimum number of days fixed in the bylaw of the society. Okay, here the notice should be that means it is the matter that inform the members regarding the meeting of the society, and then the date, place as well as the time of the meeting should be specifically mentioned in the notice, and matters should also be matters to be discussed in the meeting should also be specified in the notice, and this notice should be given to all the members at least before the minimum number of days fixed in the bylaw. അല്ലേ, ബൈലോയിൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ, the number of days prior notice that should be given to members in order to convene the general body as well as the managing committee meeting is specified in the bylaw. Okay, then that may be 7 days prior notice or 15 days prior notice. Then in order to become a valid meeting, this number of days prior notice should be given to all the members. That is the first requirement. And second one, quorum. Quorum means minimum number of persons to be present at the meeting of the society. Okay, that may be general body or managing committee or subcommittee meeting. In order to become a valid meeting, then there should be a minimum number of members. If there is no minimum number, then the proceedings of the meeting shall be irregular or invalid. That means it is not valid. And according to the provisions of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969, the quorum for general body is 1/5 of the total number of members of the society. Okay, the quorum for general body is 1/5, that is 20% of the total number of members. 1/5 means 20% of the total number of members of the society in case of the general body meeting. And in case of managing committee meeting, the quorum is just above 50%, just above 50% of the total number of members of the committee. Okay, that is 1/2. Okay, more than 1/2. Here note this point: the quorum for general body is 1/5 and the quorum for managing committee is just above 50%. Okay, and the third element is agenda. The notice of the meeting should contain a statement of business to be transacted at the meeting. Such a statement is known as the agenda. Okay, the matters to be discussed in the meeting is known as the agenda. Okay, the secretary should prepare the agenda. The item of business are arranged in the order in which it is proposed to deal with them at the meeting. Okay, secretary ആണ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, മീറ്റിങ്ങിൽ ഓരോ ഐറ്റംസും എടുക്കുന്ന അതേ ഓർഡറിലാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, അജണ്ട പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഫൈനലി minutes books or minutes means the minutes of a meeting is the written record of the proceedings of the meeting. Meeting. Every society must keep minutes of general body meeting and committee meeting in separate books. General bodyക്കും managing committee meetingന് separate minutes books എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, prepare ചെയ്യണം. It is the duty of the secretary to prepare the minutes after the meeting is over. Okay, and each page of every such book must be initialed or signed, and last page of the record of each meeting must be dated and signed. It is the duty of the secretary to prepare these books, and each page of this means this it is an important document of the society as per section 29, and each page of this book should be initialed, and the last page of the record of the each meeting must be dated and signed by the secretary. Okay, these are the essential requirements of a valid meeting in a case of a cooperative society. Okay.